Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily convert images into PDF in Windows 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to convert images into PDF very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, open your folder where you have your photos and then select your photos that you like to convert into PDF. I'll select mine. And after selecting the photos, tap on the right click and then this type of option will be popped out. You have to tap on show more option and then tap on print. Don't worry, we are not printing any photos here. We are just converting photos into PDF. And now you can adjust your paper size. I'll select A4 and here you have to select the printer. I'll select Microsoft Print to PDF and here you can select either you want two photos in a one page or full page photo. I'll select full page photo and then you just have to tap on print and here you have to select the destinations. I'll select desktop and you have to enter the file name. I'll enter as a image PDF and then tap on save. Now you have successfully converted images into PDF. Here you can see your PDF right in the desktop page. And if you open this image PDF, then you'll be able to see your images in PDF version. So this is how you can convert images into PDF. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.